Friends, welcome to Intuition 101. Join me on a scavenger hunt where the clues can reveal themselves as anything you encounter. We all experience coincidences, but if you are in a spiritual journey, you are likely experiencing more coincidences than normal. Here's the thing, there's no such thing as a coincidence. So then what are you experiencing? You are experiencing signs and synchronicities. Think of those occurrences as the universe, God, your higher self, telling you that you are operating in alignment with the universe. So let's unpack this concept. Signs and synchronicities can reveal themselves to you in many ways, such as words and phrases, songs, and even the random things folks say. Thoughts, visions, and dreams may be answering questions for you or revealing future events. Scents, symbols, and random items might remind you of a specific time or event. Numbers relay messages that are specific to your spiritual path. Oh no, those numbers are not the lucky lottery numbers. Your interaction with others and your ability to feel their energy are also part of this concept. The key to understanding or recognizing signs and synchronicities really exists in your ability to operate in the now and being attentive to all your senses. Yes, sight, hearing, touch, smell, and taste can all relay messages to you. As an example, you are seeing a certain color vehicle everywhere you go these past few days. It's driving you crazy. What a freaking coincidence. Not at all. Here's what you need to do. Ask yourself, what does this car remind me of? What were my thoughts before I saw this vehicle? What are my thoughts when I'm seeing the vehicle? Are my thoughts reoccurring? Was I having the same thoughts the past few times I saw this vehicle? Was I speaking with someone and use a certain phrase and now I'm seeing this vehicle? Does any specific event happen directly after seeing this vehicle? If yes, what's the event? Don't be afraid to question these experiences. The universe will reveal the answers to every question you ask, but you must be open to receiving the message. Are unfolding in the coincidences, the signs and synchronicities that you are experiencing. Your role is to connect the dots. Think of this journey as a never-ending scavenger hunt. As the co-creator to your world, you are to collect the clues, signs and synchronicities, and use them to find your way. But there's a twist. Unlike a typical hunt where you go out to find the clues, in this hunt the clues will come to you. Just remember, there are opposing forces at play, so you have to know how to recognize the treasures from the trinkets and trash. A very important part of navigating the art of manifesting are receiving intuitive messages from your higher source. Welcome to the world of magic. It is first about what you believe, not what you practice. Good hunting to you. Love and light, friends.